Hello children, now we come to the next chapter. It's about linear equation, how to find the roots of the given equation, that is the value of the variable given in the equation, right? You have studied primarily in standard 7th. We are going to continue with the same but with little complications. Okay, let's see. This time I am going to directly start with the solutions of exercise. So let's start with exercise 2.1. I have tried to put up both the method. One method where you are balancing both the sides of the equation, and in the second method, the transposing, we are going to transpose the number with the variable given in the mathematical expression. Okay, our first question is solve the following equations. The first equation under question number 1 is x minus 2 is equal to 7. As per the textbook method, you can see, what you have to do, जो कुछ भी है with x, added, subtracted, multiplied और divided, जो कुछ भी x के साथ या तो फिर वेरिएबल के साथ कोई भी वेरिएबल हो उसके साथ जुड़ा है उसको हम अलग कर देंगे. We will take those numbers to the other side of equal to sign, or we will neutralize or balance it. We will remove those numbers by balancing the equation. How? In the first method, what we are going to do is, you can see with x what is there? Negative 2 is there, and our aim is to remove the 2, negative 2. So what will you do? You will add positive 2 on both the side. What are we adding? As negative 2 is there with x, we are adding positive 2 to both the sides. We have to balance, because we know whatever we add, same thing you have to subtract. So on both the sides we are going to put or add positive 2. So on adding, what do we get in the next step? X plus 0, because minus 2 plus 2 is 0. And here on the right hand side, 7 plus 2 becomes 9. So finally, what is the answer? X is equal to 9. And now the method which I like the most, transpose. What we are going to do in this method? Very simple. Minus 2 is with x. हमें minus 2 को x से दूर ले जाना है, to the other side. What I will do? I will take 2 to the other side of equal to sign. When it is transposed to the other side, what happens? On transposing, the sign changes. Negative becomes positive and positive becomes negative. So you can see minus 2 is taken to the other side of equal to sign, and I have kept it behind 7 with the opposite sign. Negative 2 becomes positive 2. 7 plus 2, x is equal to 9. Okay, I will take different equations from the question first, and then the other sums in series I will take. After 1, I have directly taken question number 9, because 2, 3, number 2 and number 3 are same as number 1. So here you can see 9th question, 9th sum, 7x minus 9 is equal to 60, where 9 is subtracted from this variable and 7 is multiplied to x. Here you have to carry out two processes. First, what will you do? First you will remove 9. How to remove 9? Negative 9 is there, so you will add 9 on both the sides. Okay, 7x minus 9 plus 9 is equal to 16 plus 9. I'll get 7x is equal to 25. Now what is multiplied to x? 7 is multiplied. So you are going to take the other thing, opposite. We are going to divide both the side by what? By 7, because we need to remove 7. x को अकेले रखने के लिए we have to remove 7 which is multiplied to it. So what will we do? We will divide this by 7. Obviously to balance it we also have to divide 25 by 7. Then only it can be balanced. Okay? हमने कुछ भी जुड़ा नहीं, कुछ भी तोड़ा नहीं, तो वही होता है यहाँ पे 7x divided by 7. Same here, 25 divided by 7. And finally what do you get the answer? यहाँ पे 7 gets removed. So x is equal to 25 by 7. Is that clear to you? By my method or the other method, this method is favorite to me. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you it's my method. What I will do, it's not actually my method, huh? This is the second method to solve the equation. Is that clear? So first we will remove minus 9. I will take minus 9 to the other side. So it will become 16 plus 9. 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. That's equal to 25. Now when I need to remove this 7 from here, what I will do, as it is multiplied on transposing, it will take up denominator. Numerator will take up denominator, that is multiplication will take up division. So I'll be dividing 25 by 7. And this is the final answer. Let's move on to the next type of solving the equation. Here you can see another mathematical expression or equation where you have just t upon 5 is equal to 10. So remember, whatever the variable is, you never get confused. In place of t, if f is written, the rule is going to be same of solving the equation. Any variable can be taken, okay? But then here as t is there, you will find the value of t, not of x. So t upon 5. अब यहाँ पे क्या करना है, आपको इस 5 को उस तरफ ले जाना है, मतलब इस 5 को रिमूव करना है, तभी t अकेला रह पाएगा और हो पाएगा. So multiplying, as 5 is divided, okay, 5 is dividing t. So what will we do? We will take up just the opposite. Multiply 5 on both the sides. Remember, when division is there, you have to multiply on both the sides. Okay? तो 5 इसी नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे दोनों साइड को. Both the sides are multiplied by 5. So this 5 and this 5 gets removed, and so we have 10 5s are 50. T is equal to 50. This is one method. And the other one, simple thing, I will take this 5 on the other side, denominator will take up numerator, division will take up multiplication. So T is equal to 10 5s are 50. Okay. Next, now in all the cases I will show you only one method, and again don't get scared of or get confused. Whichever method you feel easier for you, you take up that method and solve the equation. Is that clear to you? Don't think that the second method is favorite to the teacher, so it would be better you follow the second method. No, I will never compel you. Maths, take it in a playful manner, solving it, practicing it regularly, and you will see even you can be perfect in solving it. Is that clear? Don't run away from maths. Take maths as a game and enjoy it. Is that clear to you, my children? Okay. Now, sum number 2. In sum number 2, it's same as first one. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. 3 you take it on the other side. Positive 3 becomes negative. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Third sum. 6 is equal to z plus 2. I will transpose the whole thing. So when both the sides are transposed together, the sign doesn't change. It's a long procedure. Sign changes, then again we change the sign, and so finally what happens when both the sides are transposed together, then the sign remains same. So what we are doing, we are just turning the sides. Z plus 2 together we are taking this side, and 6 we are taking the other side. Sign remains, it's nullified, the sign remains same. Z plus 2 is equal to 6. 2 आप ले जाओ वहाँ पे the other side. 6 minus 2 and you get Z is equal to 4. Okay, you can do it in the other way also. You take 2 this side. Z is equal to 6 minus 2, you will get 4. So Z is equal to 4. So write it like this, Z equal to 4. One and the same. Clear to you? Now we move on to the fraction numbers. Here it is, question number 4. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. You can see one term and the answer, both of them have the same denominator. So here the simplification becomes easy. You can subtract or add easily. X is alone. Only you have to take 3 by 7 to the other side. Okay, taken. Positive becomes negative. Denominators are same. So directly you can subtract 3 from 17 and you get x is equal to 14 by 7. And further you can simplify. The answer will be 2. In 7's table you get 14. 7 2's up. So 2 is the answer. Okay. By mistake if you keep 14 by 7, then also it is correct. And further, actually you should simplify further because it is divisible. So if you divide, you will get answer 2. And in case if you forget to divide and write the answer like this, then also the answer is correct. Okay. Move on to the fifth sum. 6x is equal to 12. So 6 on the other side, when it goes, it takes up division. So 12 divided by 6 gives you 2. So our next question, equation to solve is 2x upon 3 equal to 18, where you can see with x 2 is multiplied and it's divided by 3 also. So first what we are going to do, here in this case we take up the opposite, this reverse side of BODMAS. So first we take divided 3, that is divided number, that is 3, which is in the denominator place. We take it on the other side. 3 goes that side. 18 3s are 2x is equal to 18 3s are 54. 2x equal to 54 and x equal to 54 divided by 2. So you get 27. Same way, 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5. We are transposing it. We take this whole thing this side and this over this. And then finally y is equal to what? 1.6 multiplied by 1.5 and you get, you can see the calculation I have done, it's y is equal to 2.40. Children, anywhere if you find I have made any mistake or so, you can correct it out by informing me. Is that clear to you? So, see 10th sum, 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. Take 8 on the other side, 13 plus 8 becomes 21. 14y is equal to 21. Y is equal to 21 by 14. On solving it, you get y is equal to 3 by 2. Same here. Answer can be negative, right? And here I forgot the negative sign. Here it's going to be minus 4 by 3 because 6p is equal to minus 8 and that negative sign is carried from here. I forgot over here, I forgot the negative sign over here. Answer will be p is equal to minus 4 by 3. Make a correction, it's not 4 by 3, it will be minus 4 by 3. Let's move on to the word problem. Exercise 2.2. You can see question number 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 upon 8. What is the number? Now, exercise 2.2 consists of word problems. In the word problems, what you have to do, first you have to generate the equation, then you have to simplify, solve it and find out the value of the variable which you have taken, or find out the value of the variable, that is x, y, z, whatever you have taken, okay, as per the question given. So you can see you have to break the question and try to understand what it needs. If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number which is unknown, so I have underlined it, a number, this you have to assume, okay. So first we assume let a certain number be x. Then what's given? If you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number, so 1 upon 2 is subtracted from the number x minus 1 upon 2, and multiply the result by 1 upon 2. Multiply the result, that is x minus 1 upon 2, put it in bracket because you cannot get the answer of this. So you have to put the bracket and then put multiplication sign and write 1 upon 2. So is equal to what? You get 1 upon 8. You get, that means you have to write equal to sign, and on the right hand side of equal to sign you will write 1 upon 8. Now solve it. As per me, when any number is multiplied to a bracket, I would better remove that number first. So I will take this 2 to the other side. So division takes up multiplication. So 2 is multiplied over here, 1 upon 2. On the other side it goes multiplied 2 by 1, 2 by 8, that's equal to 1 by 4. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. I will transpose 1 upon 2, and so it becomes 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. Denominators are different. So what will I do? I will make the denominator same by finding out LCM. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So which one I have to change? The fraction number with denominator 2. I have to make its denominator 4. So what will I do is I will multiply 2 by 2 to get 4 at denominator. So 2 by 4, and this 2 by 4 I will substitute. I will replace it. Okay, I will replace 1 by 2 by 2 by 4. And so now the denominators are same. I can add. मैं अब ऐड कर पाऊंगी because अभी जो denominators है वो सेम हो गया है, तो अब हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 by 4. The x is equal to 3 by 4. This is how you have to solve. And what is x? X is the number required in the question. What is the number? And the number we have assumed or supposed as x. So what is the number? X is equal to 3 by 4. You have to conclude, therefore the number is equal to 3 by 4, which I have not written. You have to write it. Here, question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. Length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? See, three things. one perimeter of rectangle, you should know the formula of it. Then length given to you, but again it is said with a condition, given with a condition, 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Breadth आपके पास नहीं है, breadth is not given to you. So what are you going to assume? Is it the length, perimeter or the breadth? Yes, you will assume breadth. Length फिर भी दिया गया है, कैसे? Condition में 2 meters more than twice its breadth. So you will assume breadth as x. Perimeter is given to you 154. Only the thing is that you should recollect the formula of perimeter. Okay, and from the given conditions in the question, we are going to frame the equation step by step. What you have to find out? What are the length and breadth of the pool? Okay, so let's start. Let the breadth of the pool be x meter. Now, for length, what you have to take? 2 meters more. So 2 plus what? Twice breadth. Breadth is x. Twice means 2x. Okay, twice means 2x. Length is equal to 2x plus 2 more means 2x plus 2. Perimeter of rectangle 154 meter. Write it down. Then frame the equation. For framing the equation, you need to know the perimeter formula for the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 154 meter. In place of perimeter of rectangle statement, you will write the formula. Twice of L plus B. Well, length, L for length, B for breadth. I will substitute the value for length and breadth. Length is 2x plus 2. Breadth is x. Solve the bracket first. 2x plus x is 3x. 2 plus 2. What about this 2? It is multiplied with a bracket. So first I will solve it. I will just take the 2 on the other side in the division place. Divide 154 by 2. I'll get 3x plus 2 is equal to 77. Now the next step, transposing 2 on the other side, plus 2 will become negative 2. 77 minus 2 is 75. 3x is equal to 75. X is equal to 75 divided by 3 and you get x is equal to 25 meter. What is x? It is breadth. Okay. So breadth you have got 25 meter. Length you can find out from the expression given 2x plus 2. In place of x substitute the value 25. 2 multiplied by 25 plus 2. 2 5s are 50. 2 25s are 50 plus 2. It's equal to 52 meter. So you got the answer. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? Length equal to 52 and breadth is equal to 25 meter. Length equal to 52 meter, breadth is equal to 25 meter. That you have to write in the concluding statement. So today we have covered 2 word problems, and in the next session we will continue with the other word problems. Now children, similar type of word problems I am going to give you for your practice on your own. Okay, there are many word problems. Few I will solve and the others you have to practice.